In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up all saved passwords in Google Chrome step by step. This is a really useful tutorial if you want to create a secure copy of your login information before switching devices, resetting your browser, or just keeping an extra backup for peace of mind. And as always, before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From that menu, click Settings. Now you'll be taken to the Chrome settings page. On the left-hand side, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section is where Chrome stores your saved login details, payment methods, and other autofill information. Once you're in that menu, click Google Password Manager. Now you're inside the Password Manager. This is the place where all of your saved passwords are managed. On the left side menu, click Settings. In the Settings area, look for the Export Passwords section. This is the option you need if you want to create a backup copy of everything saved in Chrome. Click Download File. Chrome will now ask you to confirm the action for security reasons. At this stage, you'll usually be prompted to enter your computer password or system password. This is important because exporting passwords creates a file that contains sensitive information, so Chrome needs to make sure it's really you. After you enter your password, click to continue. Next, choose where you want to save the export file on your computer. It's a good idea to pick a folder you can easily find later, like Downloads or Desktop, unless you want to store it in a more secure location. Once you've selected the location, click Save. Chrome will now generate the password export file and save it to the location you chose. At this point, your saved passwords have been backed up successfully. You can move that file to a secure location, but remember, this file contains all of your login details in plain text format, so handle it carefully and do not share it with anyone. If you only needed a backup, you're done. But if you want to stay extra safe, consider deleting the exported file from your computer after you've stored it securely in a password manager or encrypted drive. That adds an extra layer of protection for your accounts. So that's how you back up all saved passwords in Google Chrome in just a few steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.